Hello? This is the first 5 minutes of me trying to understand Blender. This is raw, unedited footage, so might be strange. I've read very little, but I do know how to move the camera and a few other things that I will reveal or use to understand. So, first attempt. Okay, that's how you move it. It's pretty cool. With Shift A, I can add something. There you go. A mesh? A cube. Huh, now I have two cubes. I have no idea what to do, but I think Control Z is the universal go undo. There you go. Trying to put them together. Huh. Circle. Oh, that's not a mesh, is it? I've heard of edit mode, but I have not experimented with it, so I will reserve that for another time. That's just nothing. With Shift A, by the way, you can open up the mesh, or the add thing. I can add a UV sphere. There you go. Looks like a disco ball. Curious to know. Ooh. I should make an impossible tower. How do you rotate? R. A. S is the scale. I've also seen that on a PDF. There you go. At least there. That's very cool. Huh, what else? Plane. That is very interesting. Let's make that bigger. So I press S. Huh. That is very interesting. Oh yeah, with middle mouse you can move the camera or move the view you have. Now I press S, scale it. Huh, that is very cool. What else can I do? Icosphere. Seems dangerous. Ooh. Here you go. There you go. Just raise it. There you go. That is very interesting. Let's see if I can balance this. Scale this up. Put this whole thing on a painful. Oh wow, looks like it's about to fall apart. Spicy voice crack right there. That is very cool. So, in Blender, I've already created somewhat of a rock bounce. Last cylinder. And a cylinder to top it all off. Quite literally. I've created now my first tower, I suppose. This is my very first like 5 minutes on Blender. So if it is this easy to move stuff around, or to at least maneuver, hopefully I should do well. Thank you very much. This has been first 5 minutes of Blender, and have a nice day.